In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install OpenBuddy locally on Windows, even on your laptop. OpenBuddy is an open multilingual chatbot LLM for everyone. OpenBuddy is getting quite a traction out there because OpenBuddy is a powerful multilanguage chatbot aimed at global users. It emphasizes conversational AI and also seamless multilingual support for English, Chinese, and various other languages, and the list is growing. This model has been built upon Tai's Falcon model and Facebook's Llama model. OpenBuddy is fine-tuned to include an extended vocabulary and additional common characters plus some enhanced token embeddings. By leveraging these improvements in multi-turn dialogue datasets, OpenBuddy offers a robust model capable of answering questions and performing translation tasks across various languages. The great thing about this model is that the researchers have flashed that their aim is and mission is to provide a free, open, and offline capable AI model that operates on users' devices irrespective of their language or cultural background. They also have said that they are striving to empower individuals worldwide to access and benefit from AI technology. So this is, of course, quite a mouthful, but so far this model looks really good because it, as I said, it offers multilingual conversational AI in Chinese, English, Japanese, Korean, French, German, and many more languages. Its vocabulary is enhanced, and it is also is supporting CJK characters. Plus, it is fine-tuned with multi-turn dialogue dataset, and it has different model sizes from 3B, 7B, 13B, 30B, 40B, 65B, and 70B. So 3B is quite cute and cool. Also, it also comes in 3, 4, 5-bit quantization for CPU deployment via Llama CPP. But of course, the throughput and output will be a bit reduced, but that is fine just to play around. And another cool thing is that they are in active development. They have very huge future plans, and they are also investigating reinforcement learning with human feedback or RLHF with this OpenBuddy model. Okay, enough with the talking. Now let me show you how you can easily install it on your Windows laptop. I'm already logged into my Windows laptop, and the tool I'm going to use for it is called as LM Studio. If you don't know what LM Studio is and how to install it, I will drop the link to my another video where I go into much more detail as how to install it and run it, and very simple tool. So should be good. Okay, so my LM Studio is already there. I'm on my laptop which has one GPU, but you can go with a good CPU too. Make sure you have 16 or preferably 30 GB of RAM, but 16 should be fine too. Now, first click on home button on the left hand side. Then in this text bar, just type open buddy, and that is going to give you the list of lot of quantized version, and I'm using Block's quantized version of open buddy as you can see here. So in the LM Studio, we have different options. As I mentioned earlier, it has 13 billion, 70 billion, 7, 1, 13, and different format GGUF and a lot of other like GGML. So let me see which one is the smallest one so that it will be quicker to load and use. And it has even Falcon because it has gone on board Mistral, Falcon, and Llama 2. So I'm just searching for any smaller one. Let's see which one is the latest one, and then we will go with it. Maybe there is one I just saw with the Falcon 40B. Maybe I will go with Mistral one 5 day. Let's see how much big that 40B one is. Okay, so it says requires 30 GB of RAM, so I'll just leave it for now. I have it, but it will take a bit of a time. Maybe Llama 2. Okay, that might be a good option. And then let's check the Mistral one. Yep, that seems the best one. Okay, let's go with the Mistral one as it says it should work. And then the size is around 4.39 GB. Just click on this download and you can see that download has started. Let me clear this one. It is downloading. It is around 4.39 GB. So let's wait for it to finish downloading. Speed looks good. So it shouldn't take too long. The model is almost downloaded. It's should be any minute that it should finish. Sometime it gives error, and then we have few options where we just have to reload or restart this LM Studio, or worst case scenario we have to re-download it. But hopefully this will be done. So that's good. So you see that it is finished. If you just drag this thing down, it should show you that it has downloaded. There you go. It's finished. Now let's go click on this folder icon. It shows that this is downloaded. Then click on this three dot. Let me clear this previous one. Select a model to load. And this is our OpenBuddy Mistral model. So let's wait for it to load. And on the top left, you can see the memory usage and CPU. That's cool. That's already done. Let's drag it a bit down and so that our text box will be visible. Let's ask it a question. What is the capital of Australia? Let's wait for it to come back. It's a very miniature quantized version. So let's see. Yep, the speed is quite good, and you can already see that it has printed or responded with the correct answer. Let me ask it a bit more complex question. So I'm asking it that in 1 year yellow paint fades and becomes a white color in my house. In one room one wall is yellow and rest of walls are white. Should I paint that yellow wall as white now or wait for 1 year so that it fades into white? And I also have some spellings mistakes or grammatical mistakes, but that is fine. Let's see what this LLM does with this. Okay, that is pretty interesting. And I was hoping it would also tell me like other models have done so that it might not be consistent or something like that, but it hasn't. Pretty generic. Anyway, let's ask it one more coding question. So I'm asking it write a Python program to reverse a list. Let's see. Pretty cool so far. So it also deals with the coding questions as you can see, which is nice. I'll just ask it to stop iterating. And as the model card was saying that it is multilingual, let me ask it something in German. So I'm asking it in German, how are you? And I just got it from Google Translate. Let's see what reply we get back. Nice. I think this is super because you see that I just went here and now it is telling me, sorry, this one, that emotion. So I think this is what this is trying to tell me that it's just a computer program and it doesn't have any emotions. Amazing stuff. Maybe I'll ask it something else. How, okay, sorry. Maybe I'll say translate to Chinese. And I'll ask it, how cold does it get in winter in maybe Beijing? Maybe I'll just copy this here, go back to and ask it in Chinese. Okay, I have no idea what that is, but I will get it translated. No, I think I do. So -1 to 5%. How amazing is that? I mean, um, I have talked with it in German, in Chinese, English. Super. Okay, maybe I'm sure it has correct, but let me see what it says. There you go. Oh my goodness, how cool is that? How exact answer there is. Very, very nice. Okay, maybe okay, that is amazing. So you can see that OpenBuddy works. Quite cool, very, very impressive. And the answers are great even in this quantized version, which is very, very small. So just imagine about the full-blown model, how cool would that be performing. So this is it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, comments, please share them. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.